Locked out of PNC because you forgot your password, you can recover access in just a few seconds. Open the PNC mobile app and then tap the forgot user ID or password. Then choose password reset and then enter your user ID, then the requested personal details exactly as they appear on your account. PNC will send your verification code by text or call, or go ahead and check your email. If you won't find it here, click on the 3-line option on the top right. Check your spam, sometimes the link might be sent there. Then create a new password. Make sure it's something you've never used before. Reusing old passwords can cause the reset to fail. After resetting, log in once normally. If biometric login was enabled before, you'll need to turn it back on in the settings. Then, if you don't receive a code or the reset fails repeatedly, stop and contact PNC support. Continuing attempts can lock the account, and that's it.